Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react the official music video of BGYO with their new song entitled Divine. So they just dropped this music video a day ago. So I'm really excited because, as you know guys, I'm one of ACES. So I'm really excited for this one. So before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Hello ACES! Ooh, BGYO. Wow, summer na summer ang dating ah. Wow, pati yung mga outfit nila. It's so colorful. Ang cool ng green shirt ni Mickey. Galing nila sumayaw sa cool na cool yung music video nila. So colorful, summer na summer talaga ang vibes. Ang cute ni Aki. Nasa beach na sila. Gusto ko yung mga outfit nila, yung styling nila. Ang ganda nila tingnan. Ang buhok ni JL, batang bata. Jello. Wow guys, ang ganda ng nila, music video, ang linaw ng quality, plus ang ganda ng background at gustong-gusto ko rin yung mga outfit nila, bagay na bagay sa kanila kasi nga yung parang boy band talaga ang dating nila. So it's really nice. Gustong-gusto ko yung vibes ng song guys, yung relax lang, kalma lang, then summer na summer ang dating, plus look at the faces of BGYO. Hindi natin talaga maikalaila guys na BGYO may mga talaga sila, yung mga pleasing personality kasi aside from talent, yung mukha talaga nila, nakaka-capture sila ng mga audience. So, parang cool na cool lang talaga yung vibes na song nila. So, let's support BGYO. Nate. Si Aki ha, parang nag-semi-rap na. Taas ang boses ni Aki. Ang ganda ng quality ng video nila sa campfire, a bonfire. Wow, yung outfit nila. Ang cool. May mga tsura talaga sila sa. Ang ganda ng beach. Wow. Nice. Kaka-enjoy. Relax lang. So, there you go guys. My reaction to the official music video of BGYO with their new song entitled Divine. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.